Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. I'm your brother Chief Lamashawiya Palsiwulana, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all wherever you are. How are you doing and how is our families at your side doing? Alright, so family, I'm back again at my beautiful guest house project, that is Queen's Guest House, located in Tamale, the northern region of Ghana. In today's video, I'm going to share with you about how my electrician, begin the installation of the bulbs to the guest rooms. So far, the lighting in the guest rooms is very welcoming. It's very beautiful and it's very nice. But in the meantime, maybe you might be wondering what this metal is about. You can see all the designs, the beautiful designs on the metal. It's all about putting this metal on the topmost part of the apartment here. So come closer so that you'll see whatever we're doing. Yeah, so the metal design will be installed in front of the bedroom apartment at the top of the sitting place, that is the lounge. So this particular metal design, which we designed very nicely and beautifully, will be installed on top here as a guide. So it's gonna be serve as a guide, and we just finish it and it looks beautiful. So my mason is coming over tomorrow to install it, so that we'll begin the plastering. So I'm going to take you for you to see how the lightning is. Are you ready to see the lightning in the guest rooms? Okay, let's go. But please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new, and click on the notifications bell so that you always get notifications when I post new videos. And don't forget to share my content with your families and your friends as well. And you know what? Give my videos a thumbs up whenever you watch my videos. So yeah, come and see what we're doing. That's beautiful. Yeah. So my electrician has started the installation of the bulbs, and it looks very nice and beautiful. Not to install the bulb for the bathroom. So far, these are the bulbs that he has installed. So like assuming when people is in this guest room, they can easily check. So this is how it is done. You see how it has changed? It has changed very brighter. And this one is more brighter. You see how it changes. So this one, okay, so I have two switches for the lights. This is just, the top here. This one is for the top here, and then this one also changes different colors. Yeah, and this is warm. So if you want all of it to be warm, this is what you do. So the room will just be warm, and it's very welcoming. I like it. It's very beautiful. Yeah, so far everything has started to change. But me in particular, these are the colors that I like. Whew. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yeah, so this is the colors that I like. As a person, this is the colors that I like. So far everything has come along very well. It has just started today. So he's doing some additional wiring to the guest room. So I'm going to take you to guest room number 2 for you to see exactly what it is. So keep watching. And thank you for watching. Yeah. So that is how it is. Very, 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 very beautiful. Who to change the lights for me to see? It's very beautiful. I like it. Okay, okay, change it again. Change the other side. Change the other side. Uh-huh. Wow, very beautiful. Yeah, so far the light is very beautiful and it matches with the ceiling. So the guy, when he finish installing all the bulbs, he's gonna install the ceiling fans. That is what we will do before the installation of the air conditioners. So change the light for me to see. You know, I like beautiful things. Yes, yeah, and it matches very well uh with the floor tiles. It matches very well. I mean, very well with the floor tiles. So the plan is simple and nice. Change it over and over for me to see. Yeah. All right. Good. That's okay. Yeah. So this is guest room number 2. That is guest room number 2. Yeah, so the floor tiles is very nice. As a matter of fact, I didn't choose the same tiles for all the guest rooms. I didn't use one, particular color of tiles. I'm talking about the floor tiles for all the guest rooms. I made sure that I change the colors. So that is why you're seeing everything to look very beautiful. And even the lighting system, as you can see, it all has the same different kind of bulbs. I mean, the colors of the bulbs is all the same. So each bulb can change up to 3 colors. Yeah, so each bulb can change up to 3 colors. Now, one good thing about it is that it matches very well with the floor tiles. Yeah, it matches very perfectly with the floor tiles. And like I said, even the bed. This is where we're gonna put on the bed. So when the bed is here and our guest is on the top of their bed, they can easily control the lights from here. You see, the lights can be controlled from the bedside. That is it. So this one is sleeping mood. When the light is turned blue, it means sleeping mood activated. Yeah, so that is what it is. Very beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. It's actually what I wanted. That was what I expected. Yeah. So the bathrooms is also almost ready. The bathroom is also, it's almost ready. So you can see how it matches with the tiles. So when they put on the lights here, it's gonna make the bathroom look so beautiful. So it's just gonna add some beauty to the wall tiles, because the designs and everything is already beautiful, so it will match that perfectly. And I make sure that I chose the bathroom wall tiles. I choose the colors that will match with the floor tiles to the guest room. So both the tiles to the floor of the guest room as well as the bathroom, goes perfectly. Oh, okay. So this one, the bathroom floor, tiles. The bathroom light has been fixed. I never knew he fixed it. Change it and let me see. Change it. Change it. Change it. Change it. Yeah. So yeah, that is what is going on here. Everything is perfectly on point. Everything is fine. Change it to the warm color. Yeah, that's the warm color. I like this color. Yeah, I like the warm color. Very, very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the shower heads and then go ahead and install the toilet seaters as well as the basin, the hand washing basin, which is inside the washroom, as well as the urinal pot. So there's already installations for all of that, and I make sure that I use glass doors for all of that. How do you see it?
It's nice, man.
Yeah, and
very quality materials.
That's
so
it.
The thing is unbreakable.
That's nice. Close the door and let me see. That's good. That's good. And it matches perfectly with the doors. The made in Ghana wooden doors that I chose matches perfectly with the wall tiles. So we are just working on the finishing. Like I told you, Queen's Guest House is coming to an end. Pretty soon it's gonna come to an end. Everything will be on point. Our guests will be welcome, with peace and joy, and they will have all the best that they expect. They will actually, get much more than what they pay for, because the place is beautiful. The place is beautiful. So we are just working on the finishing, and God willing, pretty soon the finishing will come to an end, and then the grand opening will be done for us to start to make our money. So that's what we're doing. So far, that's what we're doing. Udo, can you change the light once again for me to see? I just like when you change it. When you change it, wait at least just some few seconds. Okay, change it again. Change it. Change the other ones. Yeah, that's beautiful. That is so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, leave it in the warm color for me to see. Yeah, that is beautiful. That is very, very beautiful. I like it. I like it so much. I like it very, very much. Yeah. It's coming along. It's coming along pretty well. Very nice. Okay. Alright, so family, as you can all see, I still have a lot to share with you with regards to this beautiful project. So all I have to tell you is that thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for sharing your ideas. Any kind of support that you offered me, I really appreciate you all. And once again, to those who are willing to do this, I pray that the Almighty God and our ancestors will grant you the resources to do much more than what I've did. And to those who has already got this, I pray that it will be beneficial to you and your families. In life, there's one thing in life: always try to push through. Always try to work hard towards achieving your dreams in life. When you work hard and you keep praying and you keep pushing through, there is no way that you can't make it. You will definitely make it when you put on, hard working and efforts as well as dedication. So I just want to say thank you all for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and then like my contents. I really appreciate you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm your brother, Chief Namashengapa, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warm greetings to you wherever you are. Stay blessed, stay focused, keep working hard, keep praying, and never give up in life. Always make sure that you keep focused, you stay focused, regards to whatever you want to achieve in life. You know what? Definitely you would get it when the time comes. So I wish you all the best of luck. I wish you all the best of good health, prosperity, long life, and above all, peace and blessings. Happy Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Stay blessed, stay focused, and have a wonderful and productive as well as lovely day. Peace and salute. One love.